I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Pare right in the building. So today I'm making a quick video responding to some of the questions I've been getting concerning my previous video, that is about the Clanny house accommodation at the University of Sunderland. So if you have not seen the video, I'll put the link up here. You can watch the video before you come back for this one. I'll be responding to some of these questions. So I've been getting questions like how many people share the room, how many people are in the flat, how many people use the kitchen, how many people use the toilet and all that. What do I need to come to the university with? So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to use my flat to explain some of these things. Then I move to a friend's flat just across the block, and we'll see what his own flat really looks like. Then we can compare the two. Yeah, you guys will understand a lot. So this is our block, and this block has 4 flats inside. And here is our flat, and we are just 3 inside this flat. So entering this flat for an example, there are 2 rooms upstairs and there is 1 room here. So the occupant of this room is entitled to this shower alone. And this bedroom, the flat has 3 rooms with 2 toilets and 2 bedrooms. So since we have a bedroom and toilet upstairs, we don't come in here. We can only come in here, for example, if one person is in the bedroom and the other wants to use the toilet or bedroom immediately. Or maybe somebody is cooking because the kitchen is just here and the person just wants to rush in and use the bedroom. Yeah, so climbing up now, let me show you our own, like you've already seen in the previous video. So these are the 2 rooms. There's a room here and there's a room here. So the 2 of us are using this bathroom. You've already seen the bathroom, right? So this is how you meet your bed when you come in here. You might want to come in with your pillow and your blanket or duvet. The reception team might give out the pillow and the bed covering for free, but you might still want to come in with your own in case you don't like the one they're giving you. So this is another thing that you might want to buy as you are coming. Now let's go down to the kitchen. So this kitchen belongs to the 3 of us. We all use this kitchen. So in respect to the question, what will I come with? These are all provided for you. There's a cooker in the kitchen. There's a microwave. There's an electric kettle. And there's this bread toaster. But this our own is not working anymore. There's a fridge. All provided by the university. But the university will not buy all this stuff for you, okay? This is my banana. Come and join me. So what you need to buy in the kitchen will be some pans. You buy these cutleries, knives, spoon, forks and table knives, and some plates. You'll get some plates, maybe some glasses. Yeah, concerning cleaning, there's a staff that comes in here for cleaning. They comes in like once every week. So when they come, they'll clean the kitchen and the bedrooms. They will not clean your rooms. You clean your room by yourself. So let's get to my friend's room outside across the block and see the difference. Yeah, because you are running up and down. Alright, so this is the kitchen. So how many people are using this kitchen?
7.
7? 7 people? Wow.
But you know, this flat is full of men, you know, basically men that, you know.
Okay, basically men.
That is a lot of,
Okay.
one bed and one toilet.
So guys, the way this flat is structured is that there are 7 rooms in this flat for 7 students, and there are 3 floors. So the ground floor has a kitchen and 1 room. The first floor has 2 rooms with toilet and bathroom. The second floor has 2 rooms with only a toilet, and the third floor has 2 rooms with toilet and a bathroom also. So to me, the biggest difference is that all of them are using 1 kitchen compared to our flat. This one is really small, but it's nice. It's portable. Your room is long, but mine is bigger, but yours is longer.
Oh really?
Yeah. But it's a nice room actually.
Yeah. Is it good?
So let's go and see the laundry. So these are the washing machines. You pay £2 to wash, and here's the drying machine for just £1. And here's the bike stand. There are a lot of them actually. I think every block should have a bike stand, or it can be like 2 blocks for a bike stand. So for the accommodation scholarship, I've come to discover that a lot of students don't know that they are entitled to apply for an accommodation, and there are a lot of universities that provide accommodation free for students. So they end up paying for a place to stay when they should have asked their school if there's any accommodation scholarship for them to apply or something. So I would suggest the moment you pay for your part tuition, you ask the university if there's any accommodation scholarship that they can give you so that you can apply. This applies to all the universities in the UK. Many of them give out accommodation for free, especially master's student and first year student. So if you ask, you'll be surprised of the opportunities that are open up for you as an international student. So for the University of Sunderland, I'll put a link in the description box where you can check if you are eligible for this scholarship. It might depend on the course, it might depend on the mode of study. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I think I've covered a lot. If you have any question, do what to drop it in the comment section, and I will try as much as possible to answer them. Do what to like the video, and don't forget subscription is free. I will not charge you for subscribing to the channel. Yeah, so I will take you around the block before I sign out. Do what to enjoy the view. Catch you next week with a brand new video. Peace out.